This is the bromeliads family. It's all in the same family, and we use this. I boil it into tea. It makes this purple tea. It's very good for you. It soothes your stomach, coats your lining, especially if someone who took has a lot of acid in their stomach. It'd be good. It soothes it, or someone who have lining, a thin lining in their stomach because all the medication they've been taking. This is really good for them. Today, this is it's in the bromeliads family, and this is called Moses in the Cradle. Has a lot of beneficial factor. This one is anti-inflammation, anti-cancer, antibacterial. It's anti-diarrhea, and also decongestant, and it expels mucus from your body, which is good. Some people, you could dry them up to make it to tea, but ain't nobody got time for that. Just kidding. Really, that's too much time. I'm about conveniency. And plus, I like the enzyme. But all we do is chop it up. And it's beautiful. If you have it in a house, growing in a house, it helps produce oxygen in your living area. This was already hot. And the same thing as like my other tea. I just let it sit. You can agitate it. The color release, it will have a nice lavender color. Then after you extract it, you can put honey, you can put whatever you want. Or you can always dry it up. I usually dry everything. I have a herb basket that I dry out in the sun. This was about 5 minutes. And I'll agitate it more. Color's already changing, as you can see. But I decided I want more water, more hot water. You see how it is. It's pretty boiling more hot water, but I think you guys can see it's more better. This. It's gotten dark. So I would strain it once. I'll probably let it sit for like 15 minutes, then I'll strain everything out, then I'll put it on ice cold water so it'd be refreshing for the summer. But I've been drying up some my passion fruit, the leaves. I take the new shoot and I just pick it up so it won't become leggy, so my passion fruit will bush out more, and then I dry them out. I sun dry these. And sometime in the evening, I'll boil it with my tea, or I'll just eat it raw. But I like it as a tea. It gets calming. Sometimes I put turmeric on it, and we'll have a nice, calming drink for the evening. But in the morning, if I want something refreshing, I sometimes freeze it to put in an ice cube, and I leave a little leaves in it just for decorative. But it gives it a nice color, fun. Let's put a little bit more. Oh yeah. Let you have a lot of water. There we go. My mom, she would just boil it, the whole thing. So far, okay. This is about what we did, 7 minutes total, and I'll show you. I'm gonna agitate one more time. It has this lavender hue to it. This one's more darker, it's more concentrated. So this one, will change the color. Oh, you guys can't see it. Oh, not lime. This one's lemon. Makes it a pretty color. The citric acid in it change the color prism. Let's make it more lavendery color.